Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is June the 1st, 2018, and I have some of my peas here. These are supposed to be a bush type. I honestly believe they're a climber. And we have some more down here. These are climbers. And we're going to be giving them some food today. And I have more down out through. And I'm going to be giving them the Eco Scraps Natural and Organic All-Purpose Plant Food. It's a 555 plant food, and I'm going to show you here how I'm going to feed them. Now, I'm going to do the ones out here first, just to show you, because trying to get back through the fence to feed those back there isn't going to be as easy trying to hold the camera. So I just have some in my hand here, and I'm just sprinkling it down on the ground, trying to find the plants. And I'm also going to be feeding my stuff today with a product called Sea Magic. Now, after you feed your plants with this Eco Scraps all-purpose plant food, you'd want to water it in. So I am going to be watering it in when I use the Sea Magic. Now, one thing with your plant foods, normally you mix them in with the soil after you feed them, but because of the way that these are planted, they actually tell you if they're planted like real close together in a row, so you don't damage the root systems. They tell you to just water it in, which is what I'm going to do, because I don't want to damage the root systems on my peas. So I'm going to finish feeding these, and I'll come back then and I'll talk to you about the Sea Magic. So we'll be right back. And another thing I want to show you here real quick, these peas were laying on the ground like this. So if they do that, you're going to have to kind of train them over to the fence. Oops. So you might have to put like a stick or something up against them to try and get them to grab hold, because they just don't want to right now. And that does happen sometimes, where they just will refuse to climb what you give them. There we go. There. And I have to pick these up too. So sometimes you have to train them to climb. Most of the time, they should figure it out on their own, what they're supposed to do, but not always. So I just wanted to show and tell you that real quick. And I'll go get the Sea Magic. So I have my Sea Magic mixed up in the watering can here, and it's not too much left. I'll have to go back and get some more. What you do with your Sea Magic is when you buy your pack of it, you use your pack to make a concentrate mix-up of Sea Magic. And then you take your concentrate mix, half a cup to 2 gallons of water. So that's what you feed your plants with. You feed your plants with the mix right here. So I'm just taking it down along the bottom here now. I thought these were weeded. They're not, which I'm finding that out now. And I just go along the base of them. Now, if it's overcast day and it's cooler out, you can put it on the leaves of the plants. That's fine. You want to avoid doing that though late at night or when it's getting closer to dark, because in case the leaves won't dry in time. If your leaves don't dry in time, that can lead to powdery mildew and a bunch of other issues which you don't want. So just make sure when you feed your plants. You feed them in like the early morning or something like that if you want to put it on the leaves, and avoid watering them close to night. So I'm going to go out through here and I'm going to finish feeding these. And what I've noticed with Sea Magic is it makes your plants bloom a lot faster. It makes them grow a lot quicker. It's made out of seaweed, and I'll have a link down below for it. It's a product that I use every year in my garden, and we've had some years where we didn't use it. There was definitely a difference. So I've also noticed it helps with certain pests to repel them, and it also helps with different diseases that plants can get. So it's something that I really like. And as these continue to grow, I'll come back with more videos and I'll show you what they look like. And then I will show you once they start flowering and they get the peas on, how to harvest them. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button. That'll tell you when I put a new video on. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.